Hello. Thank you very much. So whilst you might never have left engineering, I don't have props, I don't have icky body parts, but I do walk into parties and go, hello, my name's Sophie and I'm a statistician. And if you ever really want to see people run, you can actually try saying that. So how do I make statistics fun? Well, I'm going to try, and I'm going to hope you stay with me. I have not spent 9 months learning a song. I have my sort of crux prop just here. So here we go. In the grand theatre of life, when decisions arise, you've a superpower within you. What an amazing surprise. You're quite the statistician, and it's a trait you should hold dear and use your super stats powers every day without fear. We all grapple with uncertainty. That's quite clear. From the mundane to the life-changing decisions that form life's grand array. Evolving beliefs, that's the name of the game. As data rolls in and we refocus our aim. So let's talk of a famous mathematician, the Reverend Thomas Bayes. He gave us a theorem that sits in the grand halls of fame with an inquiring mind and a curious heart. He developed Bayes' theorem. Did you guess the name? It's a true work of art. In the history of Bayesian statistics, there's a story that needs to be told of a billiard table with a single ball and its location unknown. Solving the puzzle of where that ball lies starts with the thoughtful endeavour of placing more balls alongside. For each ball knows a secret, but it's known only in part. And it's Bayes' theorem that deduces and learns. We start with a good guess of location. That's our starting clue. But we adapt and we refine as the evidence accrues. Think of Bayes' theorem as a gentle guiding hand that combines knowledge and evidence so grand. It updates beliefs with statistical precision until the location of that ball becomes clear, well, with crystal clear vision. But it's the language we need to talk about because prior probabilities can't be ignored. They're our foundation belief. They're our centre, our core. So in Bayesian reasoning, they shape our starting points. They are so central to the maths. Please take care, because they can never disappoint. But there's not just priors. There's posterior probabilities, my friends. They're the updated beliefs where future paths bend. In Bayesian statistics, they show us the way to navigate uncertainty and seize the day. For in Bayes' realm, it's uncertainty that's the key. It reveals what's hidden. In truth, it sets our knowledge free. For in the unknown, there lies wonders untold. To solve great mysteries, if we only dare to be bold. So embrace uncertainty. Don't let it pass. It's the most amazing, wonderful looking glass. It guards against overconfidence, but that's only one role. It nails our beliefs as the evidence unfolds. But let's come together to continue our quest. Combining theory and present, well, examples are best. Posteriors and priors, they are shining stars. But let's look to everyday life. We don't need to go far. In the hustle of the city, where traffic ebbs and flows, it's Bayes' theorem that helps us navigate to safely cross the road. With prior knowledge of cars and seeing the traffic's constant stream, Bayes' theorem will help you navigate safely, like a well-oiled machine. When we're talking about weather, because we're British, uncertainty is in the air. Bayes' theorem helps meteorologists with precision and care. With prior evidence of weather patterns and evidence from the sky, we can forecast the weather as the sun and the clouds roll by. In the digital realm, where the emails flood our screen, in your spam filter sits Bayes' theorem, working quietly and diligent, often unseen. With prior knowledge of spammy words and schemes, it scans all your emails with Bayesian probabilistic, not electric dreams. In the present day, our path is clear. So let's move our vision to those superheroes we hold dear. In the world of masks and capes, where those villains do lurk, there's Bayesian statistics. Let's see it at work. So travel now with Dr. Strange, if we may, to a mystical world where magic holds sway. With Bayesian statistics, he sees futures unfold, calculating probabilities of stories that are yet to be told. With prior knowledge of countless mystical arts and evidence at hand, he updates his charts. Using Bayesian reasoning, his visions take flight. He can conquer the unknown to use his power for what's right. Now think of Thor, god of thunder and might. With hammer in hand, he's quite a terrifying sight. But it seems even deities need Bayes' gentle embrace to calculate the odds in their celestial space. He throws his hammer with unswerving precision, using Bayesian reasoning for his strategic decisions. Combining prior knowledge from the battle songs of old and evidence at hand in the heat of the fold. Just like our superheroes who adapt and persist, we update probabilities. There's no need to resist. Bayesian reasoning. A dynamic duo's delight. Posterior probabilities, shining so bright. That's why we should all love statistics, you see. It's a tool for truth, for clarity, for you and for me. In this world of big data, it's a guiding light. In truth, to make sense of your world, it's statistics that's the essential might. In the end, it's Bayesian reasoning that prevails as we travel through life with its hills and its dales. I'm a Yorkshire lass. It's okay. We tame uncertainty. We rise above strife. With Bayesian reasoning, well, we just make sense of our life. In this story that combines intuition and knowledge and grace, together we can conquer the unknown, but at our own pace. Bayesian statistics, it's just a statistician's dream come true. But it empowers you all, every one of you. So fellow curious minds, take this with you tonight. Embrace your inner Bayesian with all of your might. For in uncertainty, there's just wonders to be told. So be a proud statistician and let your story be told.